Another example I wanted to show is how visual PDF annotation look like. So this is a different use case, which is, so I have here a couple of PDF documents, and here I run pre-annotation using visual NLP models. I have a task to identify the tables and then to extract key and value pairs within those tables, and also annotate logos and signatures. I don't have it here in this task, but probably I'll have it in some other task. Right. So in this case, because we are using a different template of the project, namely the visual NLP type of project, you will also be able to train a visual NLP model as part of the GenAI lab using the annotations that you have created. With the same structure, you go to the training page and then you train a new model. For this, you will need the GPU instance so that the training does not run into issues, especially if you have many examples of tasks and more complex or more longer documents.